Today's a big day.
Is it now?
Yeah, I think they're gonna find out what engine we're putting in this thing. Woo! So this morning, I quickly got it ready for the new engine. I swapped in the dual cam power steering lines. So all of these lines right here in the reservoir, I actually bolted right up to this chassis. On the single cam there on the other side, I stole it from the parts car, which is sick. And it also completely de-rusted the frame rail and painted it. And it kind of looks all right. It looks better in person than on camera.
It's red.
It's red, and it's not gonna rust anymore, which is great. So, all right, so we got a lot to talk about because I know you guys are gonna kill me. Let's talk about the new engine.
Let's do it.
I don't know if you guys have seen this in the background or not, but right here is our new drivetrain for the now touched red hatch. So let's just have this conversation between us, me and you guys, the viewers, to set the playing field before you guys tear me a new one. So I wasn't looking for the red hatch. I got it for a steal. It popped up. I didn't want to see this thing sit any longer, so we got it. I was actually able to buy that car with the profit we made off of parting out these two cars right here, the red and the purple hatch. As you guys know, we bought those just to part them out, and I did pretty well, and I was able to buy this with it. I wanted to continue on that theme, and another deal popped up that the stars aligned for this build. I picked up this whole entire car right here that you see under this car cover for the price of what the shell is worth. I don't know what happened, but I got lucky, and that means we had a free drivetrain out of it, which is pretty badass. A lot of you guys seemed like you wanted to see a crazy swap in that thing, and yeah, that'd be cool. But I wasn't trying to make this car a crazy build. That's why I said we were gonna give ourselves 3 days to swap it. I just want a fun little car in the meantime to enjoy the rest of the fall with, and just a cool build that we were seemingly getting for free at this point, which is pretty badass. If it was up to me, yeah, I'd probably do an RB25 in it or something cool, but that's big money, that's a lot of time, and that's not really the purpose of this car. That being said, it's time to show you guys the drivetrain.
Let's do it.
Are
they ready?
Are they ready?
I don't know.
I'm not ready for it.
I don't know if you're ready for it.
Here we go.
Let's see. What are we looking at, Jimmy? What are we looking at?
So, none of you are probably surprised at all. You guys are all sitting there like, God damn it, I knew it. But right here, we got ourselves a good old-fashioned S13 SR20. Somehow, this engine's healthy, it runs, it has awesome parts on it, and I got the car. I stole it.
I wish they knew how much. Because
I wish I could
so
say
cheap.
it, but like saying monetary things on like the internet just gets weird.
No,
okay?
it was a dumb scoop, and it was 100% worth it.
Yeah, I know you guys are already freaking out, but I don't care. This, like I said, this build is supposed to be a quick build. That's why I said 3 days to just get this out of the way, because I know you guys hate SR20s. But beyond that, let's look how sick this is. The big thing is it has awesome parts. It has a full Mishimoto intercooler kit. It's got a Mishi radiator with fans. It's got a real HKS blow-off valve. It has Samco hoses. You know how much money these stupid hoses are?
Ridiculous money.
On top of that, it has a Tomy tubular manifold. And best yet, this thing actually has a GT2871R turbo, also known as the Disco Potato. So this is a very, very, very similar setup to what I had on my S13 like a year and a half ago. And with just bigger injectors and a tune, my car made 350 horsepower. And I beat the shit out of it. It was so much fun. So this build literally fell into my lap. I didn't plan this, so please don't hate me. We'll get it done quick. We'll have fun with other aspects of the car other than the drivetrain, because I know you guys are sick of these SR20s. Nine minutes later, it's literally been 9 minutes, and this thing's almost ready to come out. We gotta do the power steering lines, which I'm dreading because I hate power steering fluid. Mike's finishing up the wiring. Jip just did something. Thank you. I don't know what you did.
Drain plug for the tranny.
Nice work, buddy. I know you work well with trannies. So, gotta pull the shifter, drop the trans mount, undo the engine mounts, and hook it up to the hoist correctly. I'm so pumped for this. Jip, are you excited? I know it's another SR.
No, it'll be cool because it's in a nice car. That's the thing.
Situationally, you can't beat it.
No, it fell into your lap.
Because I could have did a KAT, but that would have been more expensive than this.
Yeah, but I'm the only KAT on the channel. Okay.
Fair enough. What's up, Ma?
Hey!
You come to help?
Yeah.
All you
I
need is
can
your
wrench.
dog, though, right?
I've been wrenching for longer than you have.
Oh shit.
I'm saying all you need is your dog. I was
All I
reading
need
your
is
shirt.
my dog.
Sorry, I wasn't coming at your f***ing throat.
Sorry, come here. Let me give you a kiss. Come here. You're such a baby.
Oh, we got another B&M shifter. This is like the best short shifter for an SR20. These things are expensive too. Nice. Let's hope I don't strip the Allen keys this time.
Drifting.
Oh, there we go. Get the hoist.
I came in like a new SR.
Look at it for a second. Ooh. You ready? Ma, you ready?
I'm psyched. Let's do it.
All right, let's try not to drop this one. Not bad. 2 minutes.
2 minutes to put the SR in.
I think we know who did all the work here. Mama Oaks. Nice work. Yeah, you did it.
Thank you.
Oh, the blue looks kind of good in here.
It kind of does. I
I
actually
was
like it.
anticipating changing it, but.
I'm okay with it.
So with the purple car that had the SR in it, it actually came with some nice hoses, but they're neon green. And Mike was just dying to see what it looked like all together, and look how funny this looks. It's kind of cool in its own way, like the blue, the green, and the red. What do you think, babe?
This looks like some Sesame Street looking SR20. What's going on here?
Yo, this combo looks cool. I feel like people are gonna like it.
I mean, if they like it, leave them in there. Leave a comment.
Yeah, let us know. Should we keep the combo going? Probably not. Whatever. Guys, we do have black hoses, don't worry. But the real question is, what color are we gonna powder coat the valve cover? Because like that's what really makes the engine bay on these cars. Is like what color the valve cover is. The green one from last season's not gonna cut it. Green on red, we're not going with the Christmas theme again. I'm not into it. Blue, I don't want to keep it. Not a fan of blue. Red. What should we do? Should we go with red? No. Well, that one. We should go with yellow. Go whole McDonald's theme and shit. Yeah, I'm into it. Okay, guys, let me know what you think. Comment below what color valve cover we should do. If it should be red, yellow, pink, green, purple, blue, and then all the other colors of the rainbow. I mean, honestly, just like a good gunmetal would look kind of nice. I don't know. Comment below. I'd love to hear it. And if you see your color already commented, please like it because I want to get these compounded. Because I want to know. Okay. We kind of rushed through filming because we thought this would take a lot longer, and then all of a sudden, an hour and a half later, there's an SR in this car instead of that car. Let's just keep bolting stuff up and see what happens. It's not going to run today, but we can get as much done as possible, and it's going to be sick.
All right, so for the aftermarket front mount kit, we're gonna have to remove this battery tray here. First thing, I already went ahead and I cleaned up all the rust so I can see some of the spot welds here, like that one. And you guys can see there's a few more that are pretty obvious. And there's some spot welds down here.
Oh, how's it look underneath? Is it horrible or? Oh, it's not bad.
I missed a few welds. And, you know, a little bit of touch-up paint. It's off.
No one will ever notice. On top of our awesome parts list, the White Hatch came with a full Wiring Specialties Pro harness for the SR, which is really, really cool. It looks really nice, it runs really nice, and it's not old and dry rotted like a stock harness. And it's meant to fit both the dual cam and single cam chassis, which is pretty sick. So right now, I want to show you a perfect example of what not to do when owning a car.
What? Oh my gosh. Who did this?
Clearly, they snapped a bolt in here and improvised.
Both of these upper radiator tabs had snap bolts in them, and they just freaking welded it to the radiator.
Luckily, that weld didn't penetrate, so we broke it off. But come on, dude, like, use a self-tapper at least. You know what I mean? Don't just put these booty-ass welds right here. It's about that time, hobby.
All right, I think you know, I'm just gonna send it. No, it was bolted to the other car, and I measured the center of that tube, assuming that.
Yeah, no, just shoot first, ask questions last. Yeah. Damn, easy as that, huh?
That's it.
That's it. There we go. Intercooler piping.
You gave your mom a coaster for Christmas. Something dripped on my face.
How's it fit?
Look, it fits to the horns perfectly.
Oh,
Just gotta get the.
It looks
nice
like
work, kid.
Guys, it looks like a funny face.
Does it? Oh yeah, look at it.
Hey, my name is Mr. Intercooler Man. I'm here to cool your inners.
That was so cringe. So I don't know if this is luck or literally design, but it actually lines up perfectly with the factory hole. So we don't gotta cut shit. That's awesome. The only thing weird is it does sit a little crooked on the turbo, but we can fix that.
Oh yeah, easy fix.
Dude, check this out though. I just pulled the horns off by this bracket. I'm gonna bend it, it's gonna work. It's gonna be the most secure intercooler ever.
I love it. Yo, look how official this thing looks. Oh, yes, it still fits. So crazy to like see the swap, like basically, it looks done. I mean, there's still a lot to do, but like, it looks so complete. And took the factory horn brackets and retrofitted them for the intercooler. I think it's time for the stand test.
You want me to stand on that?
You got it. You're, what are you, $160? Oh.
Everyone should be able to stand on their intercooler, right?
That's like a backup bash bar. That's the second layer of dampening.
Honestly though, it's definitely good to have secure intercooler.
All right, so this thing's not gonna fit anymore. So we gotta trim it, make it fit. Why not, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely a good idea to leave it in there, especially if you're gonna street drive your car.
Because if you crash
Yeah.
like, at 5 miles per hour, you're gonna total your car.
Yeah, I mean, for sure.
And it kind of holds your bumper up, so.
Yeah, especially in the 240 world. Come on, let's be honest. That was easy.
Oh. Right there.
All right. This side could use a little trimming, but
Oh no, we're golden.
it's on.
dude. Oh yeah, we're good. One more hammer hit. We're ready to party. Let's see how she looks. Ready? Ooh, not bad. See that? What sucks is like, you definitely don't need intercoolers this big for this small of a setup. And I mean, half of it gets covered anyways. Even if we were to drill slits into this rebar, the bumper still would cover it. So,
Truth. Absolute truth. The bumper's still gonna block the airflow from getting in there.
looks cool though.
Yeah, no, I'm glad that we just trimmed it up a little bit more trimming. I'll mark it up and fix it later, but
It's looking good to me.
I'm glad that we didn't just get rid of it.
I definitely didn't anticipate getting this much done today. Like, we still got a decent amount of work to do. We still gotta get the exhaust on. I gotta drain the gas tank, put gas in it. I still gotta complete the manual conversion with the pedal and the master and run the lines and all that good stuff. But for the most part, it's looking pretty complete. I'm really, really impressed with the progress because we definitely weren't trying to rush and get this done for today. We were just bored and just kept wrenching, and this is what happened. And I'm happy. So I hope you guys are excited for the car. Like I said, if you guys are watching still, that means you probably are happy with it. And I just want to emphasize the point again. I didn't try and look for an SR. I don't want you guys to think that I'm just trying to beat the dead horse with an SR and keep going at it. As you guys know, I love trying new engines, new cars. You know, I'm not scared of I mean, look, I have a LS European and all that. I'm not scared to reach out for a different motor. It's just this one fell in my lap. And it's perfect for the project that we have going on right here. Fun little short-term project for us to just have around the shop and have a good time and somehow manage to get a car like this basically for free, which is pretty badass. So, but I'm really excited. The car looks amazing. I cannot believe it is really messing with my head seeing an SR in this car. But goddamn, does it look good. So, but stay excited because as you guys remember, I said Monday this will be just a whole different car, and I'm excited. It's going really great. So, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.